At Sitemark, we often hear from customers about the challenges they face in providing the necessary safeguards for protecting their workforce on site. Studies have shown that an unequal rate of injuries and fatalities occur in construction compared to other industries. To remedy this, we now have the ability to use new technologies such as drones to enhance the safety of construction sites. In this video, we will explain how drones can improve the dangerous situations found at construction sites. The most common accidents on construction sites are fall and struck by hazards through lack of visibility, such as blind spots. Partial solutions to these problems can be provided by sensors, cameras, and communication devices. However, customers are finding that drones and the aerial intelligence they gather not only provide important operational insights, but has an impact on safety too. Drones have the ability to carry a variety of technologies on them. Items such as video, cameras, sensors, radar, and communication hardware. Also, drones can move faster, safer, and at a lower cost compared to human intervention. Some of the situations in which drones have helped reduce the risk of accidents include working in the proximity of boomed vehicles or cranes, working near an unprotected edge or opening, and working in the blind spot of heavy equipment. And incorporating drones into your site doesn't have to be complicated. The most important feature to reduce risk is real-time video and communication. The drone can function as an extra set of eyes in all directions to inspect people and machines on the site. In addition, outdoor navigation and sense and avoid capabilities are critical features brought to the construction site by drones. Sitemark helps customers have the ability to identify objects and edges in the vicinity of vehicles to avoid collisions and accidents, as well as conduct the inspection of high structures and rooftops without placing workers at risk. Our drone-based technologies can easily be integrated into the mobile devices that are frequently used on site, not only for RGB, meaning visual imagery, but also for thermal and multispectral investigations. We help you get information from the least accessible zones. By using drones, dangerous scaffolding and rooftop walks can be eliminated. This approach not only reduces risk, but also cost, because inspections with drones are carried out much faster than when a human has to access the elements that need inspection. Using drones on construction sites can have a significant impact on safety for the construction industry. The extra set of eyes in the sky makes several dangerous processes on the construction site easier, faster, and safer. Check out the possibilities with Sitemark to see how we can improve your site safety.